Ed Rappaport is the Deputy Director of the National Hurricane Center, and he joins me now from Miami. Ed, thank you so much for being with us. Tell us where Hurricane Dorian is now and when Grand Bahama Island can expect to catch a break from this.
Yes, good evening. The center of the hurricane has moved away from Grand Bahama Island. Let's just switch over to the radar for a moment. That was satellite picture, and you can see that the rain bands now have just cleared Grand Bahama Island. They may get a few more in the next day or so, but the weather is going to be greatly improved by tomorrow. Now, what's occurring next is that the hurricane is moving towards the northwest at about 6 miles per hour, roughly parallel to the coast of Florida. Those bands we were just talking about are scraping across the coast, and there are sustained tropical storm force winds now, gusts up to near 60 miles per hour have been reported, and water levels are beginning to rise. So there are still concerns for the east coast of Florida. The biggest concern, though, is going to be on Thursday, actually for the South Carolina and North Carolina coastal areas.
So if Dorian does make landfall there, will the storm's strength be reduced or could it pick up speed?
Right now it's at Category 2. Winds are about 110 miles per hour. We don't think there'll be much change in the next day or two, so still expect it to be a powerful hurricane when it nears and potentially makes landfall along the coast of the Carolinas. And with that in mind, with those strong winds, those winds will be driving ashore the ocean and creating a storm surge 3 to 5 feet, potentially 4 to 7 feet along the coast. We have storm surge warnings up now for the coast, which means life-threatening storm surge. This is a time to rush preparations to completion if you're in the storm surge or hurricane warning area in the Carolinas.
Really important information for people. I know, Ed, you are monitoring another newly formed storm in the Gulf of Mexico this time. Tell us about Tropical Storm Ferdinand.
Yes, we do have a new storm. I don't have an image of it right here, but we expect that it will be making landfall as a tropical storm in the next 36 hours or so on the northeast coast of Mexico. Some rainfall can be expected all the way into the southern part of Texas.
All right, Ed Rappaport for us. Ed, thank you very much.
Thank you.